Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Games Launcher. So the first thing you do is open up the Epic Games Launcher and find Fortnite and click on the three dots and then click on Options. On Options, just go ahead and click on Apply. After pressing Apply, go ahead and exit out of the Epic Games Launcher, and on the bottom right, go ahead and find the arrow and right click on Epic Games and exit. Another thing we could do is go ahead and be on your desktop and find your Epic Games. Go ahead and right click and click on Properties and then compatibility, and then click on disable full screen optimization, click apply, and then OK. After that, to make sure that everything is going to be fine after clicking on Epic Games, go ahead and press Windows and plus R. Type in percentage local update of percentage and then press OK. Here, go ahead and look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and then also the Fortnite folder. I want you to go ahead and delete those folders. After deleting the folder, go ahead and empty the recycle bin and then try to relaunch your Epic Games. Once you relaunch your Epic Games, it will have you log in back again and try to download the Fortnite. But no worries, it will not fully download the Fortnite, it will just optimize the Fortnite. After that, that will be all and your Fortnite will be fixed. That will be all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.